Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in another video. Today we are making banana gluten-free puff or mandazi. So we are going to be using 2 bananas in this recipe. Feel free to adjust the recipe to suit your taste and preference. So I decided to use these 2 ripe bananas. Once you are done peeling them, we are going to mash them until they are just soft. To my returning subscribers, thanks for keeping it on Ugandan Kitchen. Thanks for subscribing, supporting, liking, sharing, and commenting to the videos. And if it is your first time on the channel, kindly help me grow by subscribing, like, and share. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. So to that, we are going to be adding in the gluten-free flour, which is rice flour I use in this recipe. But feel free to use any other gluten-free flour of your choice, and to that we are going to add half teaspoon of baking powder, which is our rising agent. It will make this this mandazi to rise just a little bit. And then to that we add 1 tablespoon of honey just to enhance the sweetness from the bananas. And with that we are just done with our ingredients that we are using in this recipe. You can as well add a little bit of vanilla extract, few drops, they work just fine. And you can as well add some lemon zest, some few spices like the ginger powder, like the cinnamon powder. I really do think they go well in this recipe as well, just to spice up your mandazi to suit your taste and preference. So once you are done mixing everything, at this moment you heat up enough oil for deep frying this puff. So you can tell the oil is ready once you insert a spatula or a chopstick and then bubbles form on it, and you start scooping a tablespoon at a time as you fry on medium heat. So let me know where you are watching from the video. We call these mandazi, just like that, like we call them mandazi, but I believe we have different names for like similar recipes or things, just the different names. So if at all we are calling this mandazi here in Uganda, let me know if you are from Nigeria, if you're from South Africa, what you call this in your language, like if you have this recipe from where you're coming from. So we are going to fry them on medium heat until they are golden. And also, if you try out the recipe, I would really love to know your feedback. So please share with us in the comment section, and we will really be glad to hear from you. So once they are done, we are going to drain them on a kitchen towel or paper towel, just to drain any excess oil in there. And your breakfast is ready, your evening snacks are ready. Within no time, within like 10 minutes, you are really ready to go. So feel free to adjust this recipe and you enjoy this puff. They are crispy on the outside and then soft on the inside. I love the fact there are no added sugar in here, and they are really easy to make. And also there are few ingredients that you need in making this recipe. So I hope you like the video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe.